ayun, magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. So today, no, gusto ko lang pong mag-share ng ilang bagay sa inyo. Nakita nyo naman sa ating title, no, hindi po ito perfume review, pero mamaya i-share ko sa inyo yung scent of the day ko. But yeah, no, first and foremost, gusto ko lang po magpasalamat sa inyo finally. No, thank God, nandito na po tayo sa 900 plus subscribers. Of course, nabanggit ko naman ng ilang beses. Na ang goal natin, no, ay 1,000 subscribers. Thank you so much po sa support, sa advices, sa encouragements. Even nung time na hindi po ako nakakapaglabas ng content or hindi po ako naging consistent. There were months na hindi po ako naging consistent. Pero salamat po na sinusuportahan nyo ako, no. Alam ko na yung style ko hindi para sa lahat, no, kasi I'm that type of reviewer na madaldal. I'm that type of reviewer na mahaba mag-content, no. Sinishare yung thoughts niya, no, masyadong detalyado, pero maraming salamat po na kahit ganon, no, may mga tao pa ring nagbibigay ng support nila, ng encouragement nila, no. And sa lahat po ng yun, thankful po ako, grateful po ako. I'm humbled na even po sa mga tao na siguro more on the negative side yung comment sa videos ko. Maraming salamat po kasi this is one of siguro that side, no, na mas na-express ko yung sarili ko. Ito po yung side na I would say, no, na nung una syempre nakakatakot din, no, na gumawa ng content na ganito, no. And of course pakita mo yung sarili mo sa video, no. And siguro isa sa na-appreciate ko sa pangyayaring to na I was able to test yung ganito, no, yung content making, no. Definitely ano siya, no, beyond my comfort zone. So yeah, maraming salamat po sa inyo. I'm grateful and thankful sa inyong lahat, no. And I am continually requesting yung ating subscribers, no, na please do watch and share and subscribe, no, sa ating channel, no. Gusto ko pa pong gumawa ng marami pang content at mag-share ng thoughts ko sa inyo. Alam ko po na hindi lahat agree most of the time or always, no, sa mga sinasabi ko, but yeah, gusto ko pa pong gawin to, no. And I believe, no, na as we go on, no, as we go further, no, mas marami pa po tayong magagawang contents, mas ma-improve pa po natin yung content natin. So yeah, maraming salamat po, and yun po, request ko po sa inyo, no, yung continuous support. Pero hindi po natin to tatapusin sa pasasalamat at sa request, no. Gusto ko rin po i-share sa inyo para may perfume review tayo, at least, no. Gusto ko pong i-share sa inyo yung aking scent of the day. My scent of the day is called, ayun, no, Sunshine Man by the House of Amouage, no. This is a Pierre Negran creation, no. Si Pierre Negran, may kasama pa po siya dito, i-search nyo lang sa Fragrantica, no. But Pierre Negran, under Amouage, no, yung meron po ako from the house, no, or from Pierre Negran, no, and his creation under the House of Amouage. Let me share to you, no, isa po ay portrayal woman ng Amouage, no. Definitely I would say, no, sa ngayon nasa top 3 ng pinakagusto ko sa woman line, no, ng Amouage, no. Yung Overture Woman, of course, Figment Woman, tapos ito pong Portrayal Woman. And another one, no, of course, the Blue Beast, no, the Interlude Man, si Pierre Negran din po ito. And Amouage entering the flanker game. This is called Interlude Black Iris, no. One of my recent acquisitions from the house, no. And I'm waiting for the latest one from the flankers, no. That's Interlude 53. So pag dumating na po yon, tatry natin gawa ng review yung tatlo, no, kung ano ba yung thoughts ko sa difference nila, etc. So ayun guys, no, Sunshine Man, no, Sunshine Man, this is a 2015 release, no, and sadly discontinued. Nakita nyo naman yung hype sa community, no. If you are in the international Amwaj communities, you would see na kahit po sa international, marami naghahanap, kaya may price increase, no. Grabe yung pag-increase ng price na personally, no, this is not meant to offend my fellow Amwaj collectors, no, but I do not agree personally sa increase ng price, no. You could contend with the scarcity of Sunshine Man or the scent profile justifying the price, but no, personally, no, subjectively, I would say na too much na nag-ride ang iba sa hype, no, and nagbigay ng mataas na price, no. I do not personally agree, but yeah, anyway, no, Sunshine Man, this is inspired from the sun, no. Yung house, and of course Pierre Negrano, they want to represent the sun, every mood, every facet, everything that the sun gives, no. Of course, the life-giving and energy symbol of the sun, also its warmth, its darkness, parang mga ganun, no. Lahat yun, no, pinakita dito. And basically, this is bright, no? Pero, hindi lang siya brightness, eh. Meron din siyang darkness, no? And this is one of the best lavender use na naamoy ko sa perfumery, pambihira, no? It's really mind-blowing. And of course, yung forward notes pa are Immortelle and Orange Brandy, no? So, may boost kick siya. May ganun siya, may ganun siyang facets, no? But of course, knowing Amwaj, no, hindi lang siya bright, hindi lang siya dark, no. It's a combination of both, no. It's, paano ba? It's easy to wear, no. It's easy to like, no. But siguro if you are starting, hindi siya, mahirap pa siyang intindihin, parang ganun, no. Definitely the complexity comes in, no. So yun, a really great frag, no. More on the lighter side siguro compared to halimbawa yung Interlude Man ng Amwaj, no, and other scent profiles that you would expect from the house, no. But yeah, Sunshine Man, no, napaka solid nito, no. I'm glad I was able to own one, no. Ayun, no, Sunshine Man, no, this is 2017 version, kasi this is a made in Oman version, no, kasi there was a time na nagkaroon ng production sa UK, so kasama yung Sunshine Man, no, along with Imitation Man or Bracken Man, no, na nagkaroon sa UK, no, at nagkaroon ng issue before sa frag community na ano ba yan, made in Oman, made in UK, but yeah, this is a made in Oman na version, no, and I'm not really certain, or siguro hindi ako knowledgeable if there be any difference, no, but yeah, this is that batch, no, na 2017 or 2018 thereabouts, no. But yeah, this is my scent of the day na gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo, and gagawin pa po natin to ng mas detailed pa na review, no, and of course yung iba pang Amwaj, no. At yun lang guys, maraming salamat po muli sa support, maraming salamat po for being here, for giving your comments, no, your suggestions, your advices, your encouragements, lahat po yun, no, it means a lot, no. It is a humbling experience, no, na makapag-share ng something from me, and hopefully, no, somehow kahit kakaunti, no, it is my hope, isa sa reason kung ba't ko sinimulan yung channel na to, na sana makatulong ako kahit papaano sa frag journey, lalo ng mga nagsisimula. So yun lang guys, maraming salamat po again, no. I'm humbly asking for your support continually. let's reach 1,000 subscribers, no? Thank you so much. Please do like, share, and subscribe. Maraming salamat po at ingat po kayo.